Okay, today is actually Saturday, December 18th. I think it's kind of important to say the date from time to time. Yesterday was cold. So yesterday I didn't work. Oh, what the heck? I stayed home. The air temperature in the morning I think was minus 21, but the wind chill was I think around minus 28, and it kind of was, it blew, and it was just a tough one yesterday. Actually, it wasn't tough, I was inside, so pretty easy day. Currently, I'm gonna say it's minus 2, but and it warmed up actually through the night, and I can tell you, everything is cold. Like the lumber and stuff is not at the air temperature, it is at a cooler temperature. Actually, beautiful day today, just flippin' gorgeous. Okay, let's do this fascia board. Okay, I gotta fasten this first part. Oh boy, that is underneath this overhang. Not fun. Come here. Come here. Perfect. So I need half an inch here. That's what I calculated. Okay, we'll put this shot in too. Okay, let's go back up top. Good. I'll put 1x4 down the middle. I can start sheeting this little party. Sheet number 1. Anybody want to guess what the slope is of this roof? I'm gonna get my bigger ladder here. So yeah, it's a 112. So very easy to walk on. So 3 feet and 2 feet, I guess. Yeah. So I'll probably cut this rafter right here and cut this fascia board off a 1/2 inch and take this rafter piece and make it flush here, so that my sheeting, because this wall is a tall wall, taller anyways, my sheeting might have this exterior sheeting for this wall might have to come here. So hey, it's sheeted. Woot woot. Okay, just finishing up here the day. What I did is I put all the plates in, 2 plates on the foundation wall, and what I have done is, this is a rake wall. It's going to be a 412. There's a rake wall that goes up here, so I don't have a floor here to snap my lines and measure all my stud lengths and so on. So what I've done is I actually used the lines for these rake walls, and I have the whole wall cut. So what I'll do is I'll build it out there. This rake wall and the rake walls on the house are not the exact same size, so what I had to do, those walls, there's 2 rake walls back there, they're shorter. I actually had to take this bottom plate and bring it up. And once I had this bottom plate in the spot, then I could use my pre-existing top lines that I snapped and measure all my studs. So far it worked perfect. Truth will be revealed when the trusses get stood. There's the trusses. Beautiful day. I think it's still like maybe -2, maybe 0 even. No, it's not 0. Well, it could be 0. It's just beautiful. What a day. You all take care, and we'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching. You are all awesome.